大家好 I'm Ri from Longwen Chinese School. Welcome to our HSK1 grammar session. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about everything related to time. Before we start, let's review together how to say the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's begin with the concept of time. O'clock, it says as 点. To express the hour, we just need to add the word 点 after the numbers. For example, 11 o'clock. 11点 4 o'clock. 4点 If we want to add the minute to the hour, we need to add the word 分, which means minute. The structure would be number plus 点 plus number plus 分. Therefore, 20 past 3 would be 3点20分. 35 past 5 would be 5点35分. 10 past 2 2点10分. Now that we know how to express the time, how do we ask for the time? As smart as you are, surely you already know that to ask for the time, we just need to replace the number with the question word 几, how many, how much. Let's see two examples. What time it is now? It is 3 o'clock. We start with the answer. 现在3点. So the question would be 现在几点? Another more complete way to ask the question would be what time and minute it is now. It is 10 past 10. 现在10点10分. 现在几点几分? If you already master how to express the hour, let's continue with how to express several times concept at the same time. In this case, pay attention to the order of time. For example, to say, today at 3 in the afternoon. In this phrase, there are 3 time concepts. Today, 今天, at 3, 3点, and in the afternoon, 下午. For this type of phrase, you need to place the 3 concepts from the more general time to the more specific time. Therefore, the answer would be 今天下午3点. Another example. Tomorrow at 10 in the morning. 明天上午10点. What time was it yesterday? 昨天几点? 10 past 4 in the morning on the 11th. 11号上午4点10分. 12 noon on the 20th of March. 3月20号中午12点. Now, let's use time flexibly, as there are several ways to ask about the time. Let's look at 4 examples. What time does our daughter come back home today? At 5 in the afternoon. 今天女儿几点回家? 下午5点. Be careful to place the time concept before the verb. Do you have it right? Example 2. Mom, when are we going to see the movie? Tomorrow afternoon. 妈妈，我们什么时候去看电影？明天下午。Example 3. What day of this month do you not work? The 15th and 16th. 你们这个月哪天不工作？15号和16号。Example 4. What day of the week do you go to Mom's house for lunch? Saturdays. 你们星期几去妈妈家吃饭？星期六。How are we doing? Do you understand better about the use of time? I hope so. If you like our video, please give it a like and subscribe. Your support gives us the strength to improve. See you in the next grammar video. Goodbye. 再见。